Hello children, good evening. This is your English class. In English class, today we are going to learn Unit 8 Prose, the Mumbai Musicians. In that, first we have to see some D words. The Mumbai Musicians. D words. The first one is tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. Tired means need of some rest or sleep. Okay. Then come to the next one, children. Musician. What's that? Musician. M-U-M-U-S-I-C-C-I-A-N. Musician. Musician means a person who plays musical instruments for us. Okay, children. Then come to the next one. Peeped. Peeped. P-E-E-P-P-E-D. Peeped. Peeped means looked through the small opening. Okay, children. Then come to the next one. Delicious. What's that? Delicious. 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 Delicious means a tasty food. Okay. Then come to the next one, children. Ghost. 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 Ghost means an illusion. Okay. An illusion image. The next one is scare. Scare. S-C-A-R-E. Scare. Scare means feared. Okay. Feared. Then next one is Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I. Mumbai. Mumbai is a city. You know, children. Then come to the next one. Farmer. F-A-R for M-E-R. Farmer. Farmer means who is working in the farm or field. Okay, children. Then come to the next word. Factory. Factory. F-A-C. Fact. T-O-R-Y. Factory. Factory means a group of workers working in a single place to make some goods. Right, children? Then next one is dusty road. D-U-S-T-Y. Dusty. R-O-A-D. Road. Dusty road. Dusty road means a dry road. Okay, children? Then come to the next one. Fur. F-U-R. Fur. Fur means soft one. Okay, children? Then come to the next. Now we are going to learn the prose. Okay, children? Before that we have to see the D words. Now we are going to learn the prose. Okay, children? The Mumbai Musician. It is a very interesting story, children. Listen carefully. Once upon a time there lived a donkey named Gupu. This is a donkey. The donkey name is Kupu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. This donkey worked many years in a farmer. Okay. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugar cane from the farm to the factory. The donkey's workers carrying sacks and sugar cane from the farm to the owner's factory, children. He was now very tired and old. Now the donkey gets tired. Okay, children. The farmer said to Kopu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Now the farmer told to Kopu, "You are a good donkey. You worked for me for many years. Now this is your time to taking rest. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Okay. Likewise, the farmer told. Kopu smiled and said, "Goodbye." He set off towards the city of Mumbai. Now, the Kopu moved from that place to Mumbai. Okay. On the way, the Kopu think and dream of something. I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there. Likewise, it is dreamed. I am good at music, so I am going to be a good musician in Mumbai. Like that, it is dreamed and moving from Mumbai, moving from farm to Mumbai. Okay, children. On the way, he met a dog. On the way of Mumbai, he met a dog in that place. Okay, children. Then come to the next page. Now, the dog asked Gopu, "Where are you going?" The dog name is Dupu. Okay, children. The donkey name is Gopu. The dog name is Dupu. I am going to Mumbai to be a musician. Would you like to come too? Asked Gopu. That time, Gopu told Dupu that I am going to Mumbai to be a big musician there. Would you like to come with me? Likewise, Gopu told Dupu. Yes, I would, replied Dupu. Dupu replied that, yes, I would like to come with you. Like that, Dupu told. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. Now, Gopu and Dupu moved to Mumbai, okay? They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. Who are you? They asked. On the way, in the middle of the road, the two friends saw one fur, okay, and asked, "Who are you?" "I am a furry, the cat," said the cat. The little cat replied that, "I am a furry. I am a little cat." Likewise, the cat replied, "Would you like to come with us to become a musician?" asked Gopu and Tupu together. At that time, the two friends asked Furry, "Would you like to come with us to become a musician? We are going to Mumbai to be a big musician. Would you like to come with me?" Likewise, the two friends asked. Okay, children, then come to the next page. "Oh, I would love to come along," replied Furry. Furry is a little cat, no? It is replied, "Oh, I would like to come. I also come with you." Likewise, it is replied. So, off went the three together to become a musicians. Now, Gopu, Dupu and Furry are going to Mumbai. For Mumbai to become a big musician. Soon they met Cuckoo, the cock. On the way, the three friends met Cuckoo. Cuckoo is a cock, okay. "I love music and wish to join your band." That time, the cock told to the friends, "I also love music very much and I also come and join with your band." Likewise, cock told. They all reached the house with a light. Now they are reached Mumbai now. They all reached a house with a light in front of the house. Okay. They were very tired now and hungry. And they are walking in so many kilometers. So they are getting tired now and they are hungry also. Okay. They peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. In the house, they peeped in through the window, and in a table, it is the family prepared the delicious food. Okay, they decided to sing to let the people inside know that they were musicians. Now the friends Gopu, Dopu and Furry and Cuckoo are decided to sing because they want to show they are big musicians. Okay, so they are started to sing. Okay, come to the next page, children. They sang a song. Okay, the people inside thought that ghost had come to scare them. They ran away as fast as they could. Now the friends are started singing. The people inside the home thought that, oh, the ghost is there to scare them. So they ran away as fast as they could. So the people in the house ran away, okay, from the house. Gopu, Dopu and Furry went into the house and ate the food till they could eat no more. Now no one in the house because they are running, right? So Gopu, Gopu, Dupu and Furry entered into the house and ate all the delicious food. Okay. Now I hope you will enjoy this story, children. It's an interesting story, right? Okay, this story is adapted from the Bremen Down Musicians by Grimm. Okay, children. I hope you all enjoyed the story. You can read and enjoy. Okay. Now come to the new words. Tired, musician, peeped, delicious, ghost, scare. Okay, children. We already learned the new words and meaning. Okay, children. Okay, today's homework is read and write the D words and read the prose. Okay, children. Thank you.